I found myself a little agile working area, like a common working area. I'm at a different office today that I don't usually come to. So yeah, actually I don't think it's that bad though. It's pretty nice. My main agenda for the day is to revise a code review that I got comments on Friday. It's relatively small comments, so it shouldn't take that long. Other than that, it's gonna be a pretty chill work day. And yeah, I'm talking really quietly because it's a quiet area right now. Starting today, I'm shadow on call, which just means that I'm shadowing our team's current on call. And for those who aren't familiar with software engineering, on call is this practice that we do where there's a developer that's specifically assigned to be on call for a certain duration of time. Our team is a 1-week rotation, and during this time you're essentially the POC for any operational issues or urgent issues that may arise in our service. This is a good practice so that our operational load is kind of maintained within an individual's scope of responsibility during a sprint. Sorry, Howell's like distracting me right now. But yeah, so right now I'm just syncing up with my teammate who's based in New York. He's the one that's on call at the moment. Yes, I can see. So I just finished up wrapping up work, and my boyfriend's aunt and cousin is actually in town, so I'm gonna meet up with them to hang out and grab dinner later. But I gotta feed this boy a snack before I go. Time to open up our tacos. Yeah. No way. This is the potato one.
No, what?
This is the one that we were looking for in the store. We got it. No way.
No way.
No way.
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
I think it's another potato.
No, it's not.
Oh wait, no, it's another box one. Do they all come in boxes?
I don't think so. But this is a radish?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a beet.
That's amazing.
Beet and potato.
I'd be fine with an orange. If we got an orange one, that'd be pretty cool.
Okay, this one is not in a box. This one's really cute too though.
This is amazing. Oh, he's the little farmer.
Yeah, he's like the farmer guy.
I love that.
The unboxing was mainly for my sister who's obsessed with Pop Mart. She likes the thrill of mystery boxes. Alright, our little duck goose. These are actually really cute.
Still no orcas. I went upstairs, came back down. Can't see him out right here either.
I just wrapped up work right now and I see that it's raining so much and I have a Legree class to get to. I'm just gonna have to face the rain and walk to my class. That's like the last thing I want to do right now, but what can you do on a rainy day? Are you gonna stay here? He's gonna stay here. I'm currently using the Kodak Doc Era and this is what this photo looks like. It's just Mia and Howell. Say Howell, look, it's us. This is one of my favorite photos of us because he's so cute in it. This Kodak photo printer actually connects to my phone with Bluetooth, so it's very convenient, and I'm gonna hide my cousin's face, but this is the photo that I'm trying to print right now. Oh, this one turned out so good. Again, I'm gonna cover my cousin's face. This is actually really fun, like printing out the photos like this. I feel like 2024 in general has been very eventful already, and I'm just making a lot of new memories and experiencing a lot of new things and having a lot of new opportunities as well. So I feel like scrapbooking this will be a really good way for me to appreciate all of the things that I've done so far, and maybe I'll start doing this every year. Like for example, this will be my 2024 album. Yeah, I kind of like that idea. So I'm gonna start off with 2024 and all the memories that I made. As you guys could tell, a lot of things have been happening in my life. I feel like my routine has kind of changed because I just have someone to share even the mundane days with and just run errands with and just do normal life with, and it's been really great. I also got to travel with my older sister for the first time internationally back in March, and that was a very unique experience, and I can't wait to get all the film developed from the trip that I went to with her. And I even got to travel with my younger cousin during that trip too, and it's really unique because she lives in Korea and we haven't really seen each other since we were babies, and yeah, we just clicked instantly. Since I mentioned my trip with my sister, I'm actually not sure if we took a photo together, like with just her and me. I feel like this is such a sibling thing, like not taking pictures with each other, but I'm just gonna spend the rest of my evening doing this, and it's actually very therapeutic. I think there's just something about doing activities that don't require a screen or your phone. I find it very relaxing, so I'm just gonna end my night here, watch a movie or something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I think I'll just end it here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!